Hey, it's me, Jess. I am really excited to be launching Patreon for my YouTube channel. I have always been intrigued by the idea of Patreon, but I was too nervous and scared to actually take the leap and make a Patreon of my own. Now, if you're asking what the heck even is Patreon, well, I'm going to tell you. Patreon is a membership platform where it is easy for artists and creators to get paid for their content. Now, I am going to be turning off my YouTube channel membership and switching over and turning on my Patreon. So what it basically is a monthly subscription where you can choose to pledge a certain amount towards a creator. Now, that money that you pledge can go to giving you specific rewards or benefits for subscribing at that tier. So I have thought long and hard about what I wanted to include when I launched my Patreon, and I've come up with 4 different tiers that I think you are gonna love. So my entry-level tier is $3 a month, and it is called That's the Spirit. All of my tiers are like cute little ghost themes, so you'll see the rest of those coming up. So you get to vote in polls that we do over on the Patreon, which will include ideas for future content, what we make videos about, the themes for my upcoming illustrations like stickers and stamp sets and things like that. A monthly podcast where we talk about things in the creative industry, whether it's through illustrations or design teamwork, all sorts of different topics that I have knowledge on. We'll do a monthly podcast for that. You'll also get access to a private crafty community, which I'm launching over on Discord. So this community will only be available to people who are patrons on my Patreon. So you will get a chance to build crafty relationships, meet other people who are in the same position as you, whether they are crafty influencers, creative people who just want to have someone else to hang out with and chat with while they craft. You could do pen pals, all sorts of things, but you're going to have access to that exclusive crafty community that only patrons are going to be able to get to. You'll also get behind the scenes content and sneak peeks, and you get a 10% discount on e-commerce sites of mine, like my Etsy and my lovejess.co shop. All right, so you're ready for a little more bonus content. The $6 tier is probably for you. It's called Fabulous Friends. Get it? This one is going to get you access to all of the previous benefits from tier 1, but you're also going to get a work in progress and behind the scenes of my studio vlogs. You'll also get a monthly digital wallpaper for your desktop or your phone that I will illustrate. And then you'll also get early access to a new sticker monthly, which you are able to purchase that no one else is able to get. So you'll get the chance to buy that. Obviously, you're not obligated to get it, but you will have the choice if you would like to. So I'll be designing a sticker and a wallpaper monthly for that tier, and I'm really excited about all the designs that we're going to come up with, and we'll be voting about those in polls, like I mentioned for the tier 1 option. Now, if you're ready to become besties, I've got you in the Beautiful Besties tier. This one is a $12 a month tier, and you get access to all of the previous tier rewards. Plus, you get a monthly Q&A video with me where you get to ask the questions and then I provide the answers. You'll also get a monthly live hangout or chat where we either talk through Zoom or in the Discord, and we can all see each other and interact and just have a good time. You'll also get exclusive videos like illustration time lapses, and you even get a handmade card during your birthday month sent from me to you, and I hope you absolutely love it. There is one more tier that you can subscribe to if you so choose, and that one is a $20 a month tier, and it's called Squad Ghouls. Now, this is for my top tier boos, and this one gets access to all the previous benefits. So from the $3, $6, and $12 tiers, you get all those benefits. Plus, you also get an exclusive monthly art or tutorial live stream only for you. You get 15% off my Love Jess e-commerce sites like Etsy and my website. You also get a greeting card sent to your house monthly, so you do need to provide a shipping address for that. And it will be left blank so that you can choose to either use it or keep it yourself. So this will be a new greeting card design from my collection, and you will get that and get to choose what you want to do with it. Now, I will mail those out monthly, so those will be delivered to your door each month, and I'm really excited to see how you like them and what you think about them. So now that you know a little bit about what the tiers are and what you can expect to be included in each tier, feel free to rewind. If you have questions about anything, pop them in the comments down below. I'm happy to answer any questions that you might have. But I am really excited about all the opportunities that Patreon is opening up for forming a community and having a place that we can go and chat and just kind of be together. The YouTube comments and things like that, they don't really offer that sort of community vibe, but I'm hopeful that this is going to be the thing that's going to bring us together and help all of us really create lasting friendships in this community. So I'm really excited about all of the tiers, and I hope that you are too. As always, there's never any pressure to become a member, to subscribe, to do any of those things that are financially related. Your support, liking, commenting, watching my videos is amazing. But if you feel like you are in a position where you can support me or you want to, those options are there for you. But don't ever feel like you have to or you're obligated to. It's just one way that people can support me if they're in a position to and they want to. I am still going to be creating YouTube content. I'm still going to do my studio vlogs for YouTube for free. I'm still going to be doing other content videos as well. So those aren't going anywhere. Patreon is just in addition to those things. So it's a lot of extra work for me, but I'm hoping that the benefits will be worth it for all of you, and we can really start forming that tighter knit community that I've always wanted. If you have any questions about Patreon or what it means for me to be starting a Patreon now, or how you can become a member, you can drop a comment on the video and I would happily talk to you about it and answer any questions that you might have. I hope that you have an amazing day, and I hope I'll see you on Patreon soon.